Growing your own food, such as fruits, vegetables, and herbs, is one of the most rewarding things you can do in your backyard. You literally get to eat the fruits of your labor. The benefits of backyard gardening are plentiful. Tending to your plants is relaxing for green thumbs, while beginners feel closer to the environment and their food as they get their hands dirty. You're honing a new therapeutic skill, getting your fill of vitamin D and making the most out of your home's outdoor space. Growing your own food can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience, especially for beginners. Here are some steps to get started. 1. Find the perfect spot. Choosing the perfect spot for a garden is a blend of art and science, a dance between nature's whims and practical considerations. Look for a location that receives ample sunlight, at least 6-8 hours a day, as most plants thrive in sunlight. Assess the soil quality. It should be well-draining and rich in nutrients. Consider the proximity to water sources for easy irrigation access. Factor in the elements. Protection from strong winds and excessive heat or cold can be vital for delicate plants. Additionally, think about convenience. A spot close to your home allows for easy monitoring and care. 2. Decide which veggies you want to grow. Now that you've sectioned off your garden space, have some fun with your family in planning out what you'd like to grow. Plump tomatoes, ruby red raspberries, and crunchy cucumbers. If your family loves their share of fresh produce, this will be a hard decision. If you're hoping to see quick results, easy-to-grow vegetables that you can harvest within weeks after sowing your seeds include salad leaves like arugula, lettuce, and baby spinach. When thinking of how to make the most out of your garden, potatoes, runner beans, and tomatoes yield the most food per square meter. Of course, consider which veggies your family eats the most of. You won't grow eggplants or zucchini if no one in the household likes them. If you're starting small, limit yourself to just a handful of plants and focus on vegetables with a longer harvest, including beans, tomatoes, and lettuce, so you'll have fresh food growing for a stretch of time. Overall, a garden is easier to maintain if you have more plants of a few varieties than to have just a few plants of many types of vegetables. 3. Add berries and fruit trees. Now, it's time to think of what will be on tap for a healthy sweet treat. Thankfully, you don't need an entire orchard to grow fruits. Strawberries can grow in hanging pots for those stretched for space. Homeowners with suburban backyards and countryside homes can dream big with fruit trees bearing apples, pears, peaches, oranges, or lemons, depending on where you live across the country. 4. Don't forget your herbs. Fitting your outdoor space with an herb garden is worth your while. Mint, thyme, coriander. Not only do these fresh herbs elevate your cooking, but they smell amazing in your garden. They are extremely versatile and can be used for everything from air fresheners and wellness to making tea, infusing in honey or oil, or even as an addition to jams. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.